All right, a quick update on Green Satoshi token here, GST. It's up 8.5, almost 9% on the week here. And we like GST here because it has a lot of potential to hit targets that are going to make you a lot of money. So if it has a decent run this cycle, you'll be armed with the knowledge here of when to get out, when to take profit. And looking at it and keeping it simple here, we have a red line on the chart. This is the high to the low 236. We're down below low to the high 786 here at 1.5, so a penny and a half here. We are at 1.3, but ultimately the green support and resistance box we drew on the chart here is holding up. And this is just from looking in the past, the support turned resistance, and then support again, and then support yet again. So it's looking good here for a potential bottom that was put in on GST. So keep it that simple. As long as you're above 1.1, pretty much 1 penny, the price to beat is going to be the 786 here at 1.5 at that 786. So once we get back over that, a 16% move, the next big target to confirm that is a bottom would be a 44% move up to this red line here at 18. So 1.8 here is a big price to get back over on GST here. And then of course we have 2.4 at the 618. And then ultimately once we get over 2.4 here, you can say 2.5 pennies. Once we're back over 2.5 pennies on GST, we should have a potential breakout up to the 236 here at 4 pennies. And then once we finally get over the macro 236 here, that will confirm that this was the bottom on the macro scale. And then we can focus on this thing being bullish over the 382 here at 12 pennies. So once GST finally gets over 12 pennies, that's when you can be bullish on this project here. And you can see here, just to get there from today, if this support level, if this area is the bottom with the little uptrend we have in play here on the weekly macro scale here, just to get back to the 382 retracement here, if it only comes up to 12 again and gets stuck, you can see 9.5x on your investment here. So not bad just to get to that 382. If it only comes up to the 0.5 retracement up to about 28 pennies, that is a 21x on your investment here. And then if you think GST can hit a billion market cap, we have 1.4 to the 618 up to about 65.5 is going to give you a 50x on your investment. So if it only does a 618 retracement this cycle and that's all she's going to do, 50x is not bad at all. So all of these prices we're going over here are good targets to take profit, and they do have decent returns at these levels here. Now, to go even higher with this thing, if you think it's going to hit the multi-billion market cap, you can see we have the 4.4 billion market cap up to 217 to the 786 retracement here. This is the Coinbase chart, by the way. That is a 165x on your investment just to make it up to that 786 retracement here. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.